Hi, thank you for pressing play on this video. Today we're talking about the circle of fourths. This is important if you want to learn how to improvise. You need to understand the circle of fourths. It's a structure of harmony, and it takes us from one place to the next. And it's really simple. It plays itself. Now, we're not talking about quality of chords or anything like that today. We're just talking about the order. The order is simply B, E, A, D, G, C, F. It spells the word bead, and then the three letters on the back end, you have to remember that too, G, C, F. Let's play those really quick. Now I'm playing B flat trumpet, so if you're playing anything that's not a B flat instrument, it's not going to sound like that. I'm playing my B. So when you play those notes, as I just did here, you actually didn't cover all of the notes. So this time I'm going to start on B flat and see what that sounds like. So what we have here is a series of notes that are a fourth away from each other. So we're talking intervals. That's a different lesson. I don't want to go teach on intervals. That's a different lesson. It'll make things complicated. But all of these notes are a fourth away from each other. Now, it's important to get comfortable with this because this is how jazz harmony is structured. Matter of fact, I pulled some tunes. Let me show you something real quick. All right, so right here is a standard stablemates. You see those notes that come, they follow each other, E, A, and then E flat to A, D, E flat, A flat, D flat. All right, looking at the second line, A flat, D flat, G flat. That's a part of the circle of fourths. The third line, F, B flat, E flat, A flat. We're not talking about the quality of the chord, the minor, major, dominant, just looking at the notes. All right, here's another tune. All right, here's One by One, another standard. Right away, A, D, G, C, F, B. This is jazz harmony, people. So once you get comfortable with the order, then you start playing with the quality. So let's just do some things like C. I'm gonna start on C, and I'm going to F, then I'm going to B flat, to E flat, A flat, so on and so forth. So I'm going to do some simple patterns like 1, 3, 5, 1. Let's just do that. Let's go up and down. So that's just one pattern you can practice. Here's another. And so on and so forth. So I'm going to link to some more patterns that you can practice in the comments below. Go ahead, click that, get your copy, practice different patterns in the circle. You can change it up in any number of ways. But here's a cool thing. When you find a lick that you like in a song that your favorite song or something, pick a few measures, learn it, internalize it, and then take it through the cycle. Now, when you're talking about how to improvise, this is the beginning of how you learn how to improvise. You take pieces of music that you like, that you heard the greats play, and then you play it through the cycle. You play it in all the keys. And then when you're improvising in the moment, that stuff just comes out of you. You're not thinking about it in the moment because you did all of the thinking in your practice session. This is the beginning and introduction to the circle of fourths. And that's all for today. Thanks for pressing play in this video. Subscribe if you want to become a better trumpet player and learn more lessons about how to improvise. I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.